Somebody cry. There is a territory committed to you, to man. May you not sleep on it. There is a territory given into your hands for you to keep. May you be awake, alive unto God enough to be drawn, for your attention to be drawn of possible infringement on the territory. I've slept for too long. Now I wake out of my sleep. I awake from my slumber. The days of the holy watches of God are upon us, and the least among our numbers must become as strong as David.